I know the winter can be really daunting, especially when the weather is so cold and grey and you don't even feel like going out. And that's why we need winter flowering plants in a garden for the winter interest. Something to get us out and about and go and explore and sniff around. So my winter flowering shrub number 1 is Sarcococca confusa, or the sweet box. This glorious, sweet, strong honey scent that emerges from the purebud flowers will fill the air from December up until March or April. And the small star-shaped flowers are enhanced by the dark, glossy, evergreen foliage. And the flowers are then followed by small dark berries in the early summer. For best results, plant it in a moist soil in a little bit of shade where the plant will thrive year after year. The compact structure and the height of about 1.5 meters make it a great candidate for planting in containers. And the bonus is that it is also rabbit and deer resistant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it. And until next time, bye bye!